The mayor of Minneapolis says he gave the order to evacuate the police precinct to try to save lives. Officers and employees were seen being guided from the precinct before things got too out of control. It's one of the latest escalations in a situation that's been getting worse by the day.
President Trump tweeted about the city's riots. "I can't stand back and watch this happen to a great American city, Minneapolis. A total lack of leadership. Either the very weak, radical left Mayor Jacob Frey get his act together and bring the city under control, or I will send in the National Guard and get the job done right." Well, Mayor Frey responded to that overnight while addressing the situation.
Weakness is refusing to take responsibility for your own actions. Weakness is pointing your finger at somebody else during a time of crisis. Donald Trump knows nothing about the strength of Minneapolis.
President Trump also tweeted, "These thugs are dishonoring the memory of George Floyd, and I won't let that happen. Just spoke to Governor Tim Walz and told him that the military is with him all the way. Any difficulty, and we will assume control. But when the looting starts, the shooting starts," he wrote. Once that tweet started trending, Twitter applied a filter to obscure the tweet. Readers would have to click to view. It wouldn't just appear automatically. Twitter said the tweet violates its rules technically about glorifying violence, which is why they hid it.